So it says, what is the probability that a randomly selected student who has asthma? So that comes first. They're saying, hey, that is the portion of the sample we're looking at. So we look and see all of the asthma students. Well, if this is probability, then I know I'm going to have a part over a whole. And so I've just identified my whole right here as 182. I've got to figure out the part, and that's where the next piece of the information comes from, that lives in a house with no smokers. So now we're looking at no smokers. And so we can see that we have 69 are no smokers that have asthma. So we would have 69 out of 182. Our answer would be B.